going on YouTube? I'm back up at Heapy today, targeting pike, and I am using the Savage Gear orange rainbow trout. So we'll see if we can catch out. It's a lovely day, very hot, so we'll see if we can get out. Catch you in a bit. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Where did that just come from? Every peg I'm gonna take. Fucking that shit me up. Go on again. Oh, it keeps following. It wants it. Better one. Better one. Settle down. How's it going? All right. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Yeah, that beast. Right guys, quick update. I've had one little jack out so far. And Jaden has just noticed, what have you just noticed, Jaden?
Massive pike in the water.
The big pike is back. And it was just here in front of us. So next time it comes, I'll put the camera under water and I'll try and get some footage of it because it's a big pike. It is a big pike. Oh, I can see it here actually, looking right at me. That is a big pike. If you can see it through them. That is a big, big, big pike. If it comes any closer, I'll try and get some footage. Yeah, so it's just there, right in front of us. I ate this pike and I am going to catch it one day. I tell you now, YouTube, I will catch this 20 one day. I'm telling you. But for now, we'll catch you in a bit, see if I can catch it. I'm in. Yeah. Pike. Jaden, bring me forceps. Bring yours. Yay. You little bastard, you got me wet through. Yeah, boy. You got him? Chill, you little cunt. Chill, chill, chill. I need to chin you. Have you got a phone on you? Yeah. Right, do a bit of recording. Right, up at Heapy today. First couple of casts and a little jack in already. It's ready to bounce. You little monkey. First jacket day. Up at Heapy. So we'll get it back. Let's try and catch some more. Let's have it. I knew there were a pike over here, that's why I came over. I fucking knew it. Yeah, boy. Get it back. Go on then, go that way. There it goes. guys, 2 pike out so far, so call it a day now. Oh yeah, Jaden might have had an eel, yeah. Right, that's it, done for the day now. I've had 2 pike out, Jaden's had an eel, Pedro's had a few perch. It's too hot, so it's time to go. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.